Hello, in this lecture we are going to be registering a domain name in Route53. To register a domain name, under Services, come down to Network and Content Delivery and select Route53. Next, we are going to check if our domain name is available. I want to use the domain name AWS Notes Lab. Once I type the domain name that I want to check, I'm going to click Check. This domain name is available and it has been added to my cart. It is going to cost $12 to register this domain name, so just keep that in mind. And I'm going to click Continue because I want to register it. And in here, this is where you enter your personal information. Enter this information, you click Continue. Once you enter all the registration information and click Continue, it is going to bring you to this page and it's going to say your order was submitted successfully, and we are just going to close this. And over here, it is telling you how long it will take to register your domain name. And usually I've registered domain in the past. It doesn't take 3 days. At the most, it takes a couple of minutes. So we are just going to click Go to Domains. And it is saying domain registration is in progress. I'm going to give it a couple of minutes. I waited about 15 minutes for my domain name to be registered. And now under the dashboard, you can see my hosted zone and I have one domain registration in there. This is how you register a domain name in Route53. In the next lecture, we are going to be creating a record and updating the domain name of our website. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.